So pretty. Good morning. What's up, y'all boys? Got new mirrors. You like that shit? You like that shit? Am I recording? Yeah, I'm tweaked. Hell yeah, brother. We outside. Got Gabe, got Hector. Gotta get some gas. You know how it is, boys. Got a good little... That's typically what I do in the mornings. Is my little stretch, my little get up and get ready type shit for rides. But yeah, we're outside this morning. We're going all the way down to Key West or Key Biscayne for it's a car meet and farmers market. So you know what's about to be outside, my boys. No, I'm just playing, but oh shit, move quite rapidly. Shit. Damn, ask me a whole damn survey before I want to fucking... No, I'm not gonna get a car wash. I want a moto right now. The fuck? No, nigga. How many times? Thank you. So yeah, you guys know what's going on today. A little ride down to Miami, a little Key Biscayne area. See the water and shit. It's a beautiful day outside. It's like, oh my god, look at my mileage. How scary is that? 6,666. Jesus Christ. Lord bless me on this beautiful Sunday that nothing happens. What the fuck is that, man? I want nothing with that. Anyways. Yeah, cool little ride. So we outside. We got the boys. Got to top off real quick. Dude, what is going on? Why can't I ever just like get gas? Dude, what the fuck is happening? Why can't I just ever get gas, bro? Dude, what the fuck is going on? Why can't the fuck I just pay for gas anywhere I go, bro? Oh my god. Why can't these fucking pumps just work? So I'm trying to fucking get gas and get out of here. Jesus Christ. The absolute hell. Spilled on myself while I'm at it. Fantastic. Fucking rage attack on a fucking Sunday morning, bro. I'm in love with these mirrors, boys. Look, my hand kind of burns. I fucking spilled gas on it. I don't have a cut or nothing, but still. I love seeing the homie's car fly by. Had to get one for the boys. Had to give it one for the boys. I love when Gabe does shit like that, bro. He's so funny. His little boy. Where's Hector? Drag me, baby! Learn how to keep a consistent line. Gabe's with me. That's the only thing I can't do right there is keep a consistent line. I feel like I'm low enough. That's right. I mean, obviously I can get lower. But like for the most part, oh shit! Oh, they were flying. It was a 918 Spider and a Carrera or a 911. Oh, they're taking off. They're cutting up like crazy. Oh baby, we got another curve coming. Oh, what a beautiful day it is, baby! What a beautiful day it is! No plate on the Brabus? No plate on the Brabus is hilarious. People actually can't drive Miami. I know these eggs are confusing, but chill. The Brabus with the no plate's so funny to me. The spoiler and all. Oh, how pretty. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's fire. That's sick. So pretty. buddy took off. I can't taste that. I wonder if I'm even going the right way. I'll follow you. I don't know where I'm going. Follow you. Oh, so we were going to the same spot. I couldn't risk it. I literally have no quad lock. I used to be ripping it for the vibes. No. That's lit. That's lit. Oh! Oh, butts are tweaking. I low-key don't have a sun pass. I keep getting charged for this shit, bro. I'm such a goober. And they're gonna get a real good picture of my license plate right now, for real. Oh. That's what's up, man. That's crazy, bro. That shit's so tough. He took off. I had to chase him. Yeah, the cars and coffee. Hell yeah, brother. That's fire. Bro, you're so lucky I like you, because if not, I'd take off on your ass, you know that? No, I'm talking about, I didn't know where I was going, number one. Number two, I would have taken off. I'm talking about right here. I can just do. I don't know where I'm going, though. The GTR that wanted all the smoke. I look, you gave him the work, right, guys? My poor baby, my poor baby. Look, I'm gonna show you all real quick. So you see this, right? Left coil, perfect, no problems. We try to go fix the right coil, the driver's side coil, and it's gone. The coil is shot. The coil is stuck. It's not even in the hole, brother. So Stormy's out of commission right now. My poor baby. My poor baby's out of commission. And honestly, we got something big coming for the ZX6R soon. She's gonna look a lot different in a couple weeks or in a couple days. I'm hyped, but yeah.
It's a lonely night.